Good evening, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from Paintsomeway. That is www.paintsomeway.com. Now by this time all of you know Paintsomeway. They've got a big humongous website, very organized. They're a very awesome company. They've got everything you need. They don't only sell our favorite cross stitch. They do that. They do all the newest beaded cross stitches. They've got paint by numbers. They've got diamond painting and all the tools and accessories that goes with that. They've got many more things. You must go and scroll on their website. If you go under more links, you will see they've got, there's your crafts, your diamond painting crafts, all that type of stuff. And they've got little gifts. They've got sections for cross stitch new style. All their branded cross stitch is sectioned. So it is an amazing store. I really love them. They have a lot of new style products. Remember, their shipping is fantastic. But when you order from new style, some of those products are not printed yet, so you might wait a little longer. Alright, let me see here what is up for offer. Okay, so I don't have a discount code for Paintsomeway, but please mention Stitcha-Rella when you buy from them, if you buy because you saw this video. And if you've ordered for $49 or over, you do get free shipping. Now that is not all. There is a Christmas sale going on. They call it their flash sale. And it's a limited event. You can see on the screen. It's buy 3 get 1 free plus 6% off. And the code is gift06. So there's more savings. It's amazing. And that is, that's not the Christmas one, but this is just a flash sale. And it's still on for 2 days and 10 hours. So if you want to save a little bit more, please go and look at Paintsomeway. Also, let me see. Alright, that is it. I just want to see that I don't miss anything from the sale. No, I don't. Yes, that is it. So it's amazing savings. And I will leave all the details and product codes and shop link in my description box, so it's easy for you to find. Now, we've all said and done. Let's have a look at these beautiful stitches I've got in front of me. I think we're going to start with her. Look at that. It looks like she's cuddling Gracie. Gracie is also those colors. That was the idea when I did these images. I love them. I really love them. Now and again I play around, but I just loved these. So let's just see where's the paper. There's the pattern. I'm like, oh, where's everything? Okay, so let's have a go at this. Now the toolkit you get is a needle threader, 5 needles in a little test tube thingy, and a thimble. I really wish they want to make this thimble a silicone finger, because that hurts. I can't use that. But look at that. Nice toolkit. And let's have a look at this pattern. Now you guys know I love my shiny film. It's printed on my favorite shiny film. And that's for durability. Just remember, this shiny film, if you get it wet on the pattern side, you will have no pattern left, because it's not water resistant. Alright, so let's have a look at her. Okay. Alright, so it is 11 count, 50 by 50 centimeters. There's a beautiful picture of her. And the instruction leaflet is printed on the pattern. She's got 39 colors and 190 stitches by 190 stitches. She looks like she's not a difficult stitch, but she's so pretty, right? Alright, okay, so pattern is perfect. Next up, we're going to look at this Ada. Ada is printed on bright white Ada. The pattern is printed on bright white Ada. It's serged all the way around for our convenience. Like I said, on the Ada, it's 11 count, 50 by 50 centimeters, 190 stitches by 190 stitches, 39 colors. Now, the printing is amazing. Let's have a look. Let me inspect. I first put my glasses on. So let's see. There is absolutely no way you can not read this printing. Look at this. Look how nicely it's printed. Fabulous, right? I think so too. There you go. It's amazing. My co-host is here. She's walking here in my view and everything. Alright, so perfect. Ada, now it's time to look at the pretties. I always say it never gets old, right? To open new floss, it's such a pretty thing. Alright, so let's have a look. So they're on floss drops. I said there's 39 colors, and the colors are beautiful. I just want to see this picture while I show you. It's basically flesh colored. She's got, yeah. Alright, look at that. Let's just open it up. I'll bring it closer to you just now. Where does this dark blue? It's probably in the background. There you go. Okay. It's pretty. And there we are. I love this. Absolutely amazing. I just want to take this rubber band off. You guys know why we take this off, right? I store my stitches. I can't, it's impossible for me to do all my stitches, so I store them. These rubber bands get old, and when they disintegrate, they do damage your floss. Now let's just pack that away. Alright, so while I pack away, I want to ask, if it's the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel if you would be so kind. By doing that, you motivate me to make more videos. It's for free. And I appreciate it very, very much. Also, hit the like button if you like this video and leave me a comment in the comment box. I will personally get back to you. Also, there's an option to join. That is membership. There's a small monthly fee you pay. Very, very minimal. And there is big plans. We're going to make lots of videos. Going to do a lot of things there. And I will tell you soon, this weekend or next week, I will do a video where you can see me and I will tell you all about it and next year's plans. Alright, so you've seen this beautiful fairy. Let's have a closer look. Okay, she's printed on my shiny foam for durability. Don't get it wet in the front because, yes, it's not water resistant. Now she is 14 count, 50 by 50 centimeters. The instructions is very small, but you don't need them really. But you can see them. They printed on your pattern. There is 40 colors. What's that? Oh, all right. Oh. 242 stitches by 242 stitches. I just think she's so pretty as well. So excellent pattern. 14 count, 50 by 50. She's nice and big for a 14 count. Right, so we also got our little toolkit. I just want to see something here. Nice. Okay. So with our 14 count, the toolkit, we've got number 26 needles. There's 5 in your little test tube, a needle threader, and that thimble, that little thing that hurts. There you go, and that one. There, you see, I say. Okay, so let's have a look here. So she's printed on the typical 14 count that Huacan uses. And it's strong, durable, it's great. So she serged all the way around. For our convenience, of course, 14 count, 50 by 50 centimeters, 242 stitches by 240 stitches, 40 colors. Now, you guys know, I will only go up to 14 count if it's Huacan brand. I will not, the 16 count and 18 count, they've got too much red symbols, you can't read it, and it hurts your eyes. Well, me for one, I can't do it. It is just too hard to see them. So if there's one request, if Huacan is watching this, just minimalize this red symbols. They're difficult, and some of the stitches, they mix and you can't read them, but it's only the case for 16 and 18 count. Now let's have a look at this 14 count printing. You see, I do not have that problem with the 14 count. I actually don't. That it's just the 16 and 18. The 14 count's perfect. I'll show you now. Let me show you. Alright, so can you see? So yeah, you can work at ease. You know, when you buy a pattern and it's stamped, you do not want to use the pattern because then you can just as well do counted, right? So yeah, I'm very happy with this. Look at all these details. She's gonna be a piece of work. She's gonna be really, really, really pretty, and I'm very, very happy. Okay, so let's have a look at the pretties. Sorry for the noise. This crinkly cut paper, you know. Okay, let's have a look. Now they're all on floss drops. I said there's 40 colors. And let's have a look here. All is, if you look at the pictures, she's got silver hair, the background silver, everything is very bluish silvery. So it is fabulous. That's what I love about her. She's just amazing, right? So let's have a look at this. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Amazing, right? Look at that. Well, me for one, I adore this. This is fabulous. Thank you so much, Paintsomeway. I adore this. Now guys, this is video 1 of 2 for Paintsomeway. So next week I'll make another one for you guys. I just want to remind you guys about this flash sale of Paintsomeway. Please go and support them. They rock. They're really a good company. I really like them. And then I just want to thank you guys for always watching and supporting me. It means the world to me. Now you must have a wonderful, wonderful festive time. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.